Morning, kids. Welcome to the another session of your, we can say, 11th Commerce Eco, and your second lesson is money. So, in previous lecture, we've talked about, we can say, functions of money, and we've completed primary and secondary functions of it. Now, let's start with the, we can say, second one, which is your, we can say, contingent functions of money, which is your third one. Okay, इससे पहले के लेक्चर में हमने देखा बच्चों फंक्शंस ऑफ मनी, और हमारी दो टाइप्स उसमें खत्म भी हो चुकी थी, जैसे कि हमारा प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी फंक्शन. आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं हमारे, वी कैन से, कॉन्टिंजेंट फंक्शन. Okay, today we'll start with, we can say, contingent functions. Now, according to Professor Kinley, in the modern period, money plays an important role almost in all economic transactions. Okay, according to, we can say, Professor Kinley, guys, money plays important role. Money plays, we can say, an important role in all economic transactions. In all economic transactions. We can say, हमारे ये जो प्रोफेसर किरली है बच्चों, इनके हिसाब से क्या है कि वी कैन से मनी इन टुडेज एरा या इन मॉडर्न पीरियड, मनी प्लेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. पैसा बहुत अहम किरदार अदा करता है. जैसे कि कोई भी इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन विदाउट मनी हमारी कंप्लीट हो ही नहीं सकती है ना. फॉर वी कैन से माइन्यूट ट्रांजैक्शंस आल्सो वी नीड और वी वांट मनी. So according to Professor Kinley, money plays very important role, है ना. Money plays very important role almost in all economic transactions. So now let's have a look toward the third function of it, which is your contingent functions of money. Contingent functions of money. Let's have a look toward the first point, measurement of national income. The first point is measurement of national income. Okay guys, so the third function of contingent function of money, the first point of it is measurement of, we can say, national income. National income is expressed in money terms. Distribution of national income among the four factors of production in terms of monetary rewards, rent, wages, profits, and etc. Okay, your national income is calculated. Your national income is calculated by your national income is, we can say, calculated by factors of production. Factors of production. है ना. Measurement of national income, yeah, we can say your national income is being measured by, yeah, we can say it's a distribution of, we can say, four factors of production, such as your rent, labor, land, and sometimes your capital. ओके, आइए हमारा कॉन्टिंजेंट फंक्शन में सबसे पहला पॉइंट है बच्चों, मेजरमेंट ऑफ नेशनल इनकम. मेजरमेंट ऑफ नेशनल इनकम क्या हो जाती है कि जो भी हमारी नेशन की इनकम है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होती है बच्चों इन चार फैक्टर्स में, रेंट, लेबर, लैंड और कैपिटल. इफ विल, वी कैन से, लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, रेंट, लेबर, लैंड एंड कैपिटल. ये चारों चीजों से मिलके, वी कैन से, जो एक पर्टिकुलर इनकम मुझे हासिल होगी, या income has been collected by these four factors of production, is known as your national income. Move on to the next point guys, which is your, the second one, basis of credit. The second point is basis of credit. Let's have a look toward another function of, we can say, money, which is basis of money. Commercial banks create credit money on the basis of primary deposits. Money provides a liquid base for creation of credit money. Okay, money provides money provides a liquid base for a liquid base for money provides, we can say, a liquid base for creation of credit money. Okay, the second point is basis of credit, as money provides or money supplies a liquid base for creation of credit money. मनी हमें क्या करता है बच्चों, क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शंस को वी कैन से क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन को एनहांस करता है, या क्रेडिट के ऊपर भी बिलीव करता है, या उन ट्रांजैक्शंस को इंक्रीज करता है, विच इज नॉट देयर इन योर बार्टर सिस्टम. बार्टर सिस्टम में क्रेडिट वाला फंडा ही नहीं था. ओके गाइस, सो यूजुअली कमर्शियल बैंक क्रिएट क्रेडिट मनी on the basis of primary deposits. Okay, on the basis of, we can say, primary deposits, on the basis of your, we can say, your primary deposits, commercial banks create credit money. Okay, on the basis of, we can say, primary deposits, commercial banks create credit money. So this is the another feature of it. Now move on to the third function, which is your guys impart liquidity to wealth. The third point is impart liquidity to wealth. Now let's have a look towards to impart liquidity to wealth. Money is called the most liquid asset. Okay, money is also known as or called as liquid asset, and which is easily converted into, we can say, cash, or we can say any other thing within we can say flick of second. Money is also known as guys liquid asset, क्योंकि वो जल्दी से कैश में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, या जो भी वो कैश है या जो भी प्रॉपर्टी है वो रैपिडली, हमारी जो वेल्थ है वो रैपिडली चेंज होती है, कन्वर्ट होती है, इसलिए इसे लिक्विड एसेट भी बोला जाता है, या लिक्विड के बदले में हम इसे करंट एसेट भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ मनी कैन बी इजीली कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनी एसेट, एंड एनी एसेट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मनी. है ना, व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड लिक्विड एसेट्स और करंट एसेट्स? बिकॉज any time whenever you want, money can be converted easily into assets, and assets are easily converted into money whenever you want. Okay, why this is known as liquid assets or current asset? इसे हम लोग लिक्विड एसेट या करंट एसेट क्यों बोल देते हैं बच्चों? क्योंकि मनी को कभी भी हम लोग एसेट्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं जब हम चाहें, और एसेट्स को कभी भी हम मनी में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं whenever we need or whenever we want. Okay, and the next one is, guys, for example, a person can purchase gold, and if he wants, he can sell it and purchase government bonds and securities. For example, we can say a person is having, we can say, a gold coin. Okay, a person is having gold coin with him. Yeah, a person is having a gold coin. So whenever he wants, yeah, whenever he needs, he can convert the same gold into cash. He is easily convert the gold into cash. Move on to the next point of your contingent function, guys, which is your estimation. Okay, which is your fourth one, estimation of macroeconomic variables. Okay, now the fourth point of it is estimation of macroeconomic variables. Macroeconomic variables like, macroeconomics means, as I told you, in large quantities. Yeah, we can say aggregate. Yeah, we can say total. Okay, macro means to have a large study. Yeah, we can say deeper studies about aggregate, yeah, about total. So, estimation of macroeconomic variables means, like, for example, your national income, national output. Okay, macroeconomic variables mean your national income, your national output, your national product. Okay, your national income, national output, and your national product. And we can say total savings of your nation, total savings and total output of your nation. आइए बच्चों, अब अगला है मेरा कि एस्टिमेशन ऑफ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक वेरिएबल्स में क्या आ जाएगा। मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक सबसे पहली बात तो कि जब हम बहुत बड़ी क्वांटिटी में या ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, व्हेनेवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओवरऑल इकोनॉमी, है ना, या होल इकोनॉमी, दिस इज नोन एज योर मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक वेरिएबल्स। या टू हैव अ डीपर स्टडीज अबाउट टोटल इकोनॉमी या एग्रीगेट, so let's take the example of macroeconomic variables such as your national income, your national output, your national product. Yeah, well, we can say total savings by the nation or total outputs by the nation. Okay, so all these are, we can say, the contingent functions, and all these are the contingent functions of money. And move on to the last point of your lesson, guys, which is concept of black money. It's your, we can say, concept of okay, now the last point of your second lesson, guys, it is your, we can say, concept of black money. Black money is any money which is received in cash but not accounted for and on which tax is not paid to the government. Okay, black money is a, we can say, kind of money which is not accounted. Black money is, we can say, a kind of money, है ना, which is not accounted and on which tax is not paid to the government. ओके बच्चों, अब ब्लैक मनी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है। ब्लैक मनी का कॉन्सेप्ट तो ये होता है कि ब्लैक मनी एक ऐसा मनी होता है, ओके, ब्लैक मनी एक ऐसा मनी होता है कि जिसको हम लोग अकाउंट भी नहीं करते हैं, मतलब कि अकाउंट्स के बुक्स में भी हम लोग इसको मेंशन नहीं करते हैं, और इस पर्टिकुलर चीज का टैक्स भी हम गवर्नमेंट को पे नहीं करते। द कॉन्सेप्ट इज नोन एज, वी कैन से, ब्लैक मनी. Black money is any money which is received in cash but not accounted for and on which tax is not paid to the government. Now, black money is tax evaded income. Your black money is now at tax evaded income. Black money is also known as, guys, tax evaded income. Tax evaded income means what? कि इस पर्टिकुलर चीज के ऊपर आपने कोई भी टैक्स नहीं भरना है। यूजुअली व्हाट हैपन ना बच्चों कि ब्लैक मनी जो होता है, ब्लैक मनी जो भी होता है, ये सारी ट्रांजैक्शन सिर्फ और सिर्फ कैश में ही होती है। कैश में इसलिए होती है कि वी कैन इजीली हाइड द आइटम्स और हाइड द ट्रांजैक्शन। सो वी कैन से ब्लैक मनी इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट, है ना, या इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ मनी which is not accounted. It's only in cash. Whatever transactions are there, it is in cash basis only. Sorry, it's on cash basis only. No bank transactions are involved in black money. Only cash transactions are involved in black money, and which is not accounted. जिसकी account की book में भी कोई entry नहीं होगी. And black money is the income, या it's a money on which tax is not paid to the government. एक ऐसी इनकम जिसका हम गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स भी नहीं देंगे, जिस इनकम को हम लोग हाइड करके रख लेंगे, दिस इज नोन एज योर ब्लैक मनी. एंड वन मोर थिंग गाइस, ब्लैक मनी इज, वी कैन से, ऑल्सो नोन एज और कॉल्ड एज tax evaded income. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much.